You did find me.
You found us. Good one.
Where's Ellie? There she is.
Her lights is turned off though. There it is.
Okay.
Eleanor's turn to count.
Yeah. So it's just me, Mom, and Dad.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna find what's your Mom. You have to choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, not two.
Oh, too fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, not two. Guys. Found it.
You found me right away.
Where's Mommy and sister?
I don't know. Are they making a peep?
I screamed instead of